This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to our latest video on choosing the right mobility scooter for seniors. With so many options available, finding the perfect scooter can seem overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here to simplify the process by outlining key factors to consider. First, assess the user's needs. Consider how often and where the scooter will be used. For indoor use or short trips, a small, compact scooter is ideal. If it's for outdoor use or long distances, opt for a robust model with a powerful motor and all-terrain tires. Next, think about portability. Some scooters are lightweight and can easily be disassembled for transport. This is crucial if you plan to take the scooter on trips or to visit family and friends. Always check the weight capacity to ensure it can safely support the user. Comfort is another important factor. Look for scooters with adjustable seats, armrests, and steering columns to fit the rider's size. Padding and suspension systems can also enhance comfort, making long rides smoother and more enjoyable. Battery life is crucial for determining how far and how long a scooter can travel on a single charge. Consider the scooter's range and charging time, especially if it's for extended use. A scooter with a long battery life can offer greater independence and flexibility. Safety features shouldn't be overlooked. Look for anti-tip wheels, lights, reflectors, and a horn for added security. Advanced models may offer automatic braking systems and speed controls, providing an extra layer of safety. Now, let's talk about budget. Mobility scooters come in various price ranges. While features and functionality often increase with price, there are affordable options that provide excellent performance and reliability. It's essential to balance the budget with the features most important to the user. Lastly, always check reviews and ratings from other users. They provide valuable insights into the pros and cons of each model, helping to make an informed decision. In conclusion, choosing the right mobility scooter for seniors involves considering the user's needs, portability, comfort, battery life, safety features, and budget. By focusing on these elements, you can find a scooter that enhances mobility and independence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative guides.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.